Hi there, my name is Sylvester and I'd like to introduce to you this international conference, the ICSKS 2025 holding in Kenya. And this conference could change your career for life, okay? And here's why. I'll be facilitating the pre-conference workshop at this event where I'll be demonstrating live practical application of artificial intelligence in research and professional fields. Now you're asking, how can you benefit from this, right? Just sit back and relax. Let me walk you through the website where you can register for this event. First, open your browser and visit icsks.karu.ac.ke to visit the website.
Immediately the homepage loads, you find the date of the conference, 14th to 16th of April 2025. I mean the International Conference on Sustainable Knowledge Systems, ICSKS 2025, holding in Kenya. And if you scroll down, you'll see a live countdown showing as of the time of my shooting this video, it's just about 45 days, 13 hours, 33 minutes, and 25 seconds before ICSKS 2025. If you keep scrolling, you see the flyer for this event and you learn more about the event, where it's holding at Karatina University in Kenya. And this is the section for the call for abstract, and then this is the section for the pre-conference workshop. If you'd like to learn more about the pre-conference workshop, you click on more info and it'll take you to that page. But for now, let's keep scrolling to learn more about other details about the conference. So you can learn more about other features of the conference, and then you can meet the speakers. You see the likes of Professor Gitonga, who is the chief host, Professor Homna, who is the keynote speaker, Dr. Evelyn, the host, and here is Honorable Sagir Musa, a Nigerian, and so many other wonderful speakers from different parts of the world. And we have Dr. Shola Wolabi, and wow, this is my beautiful face. This is Sylvester. I'm the pre-conference workshop speaker, and you can just click on each of the speakers to learn more about them. So this is my page saying a little about me and about what I'll be doing. So if you want to know more about the pre-conference, you can come to this part and click on pre-conference. Clicking on pre-conference, it takes you to the pre-conference page, and where you see the pre-conference workshop speaker and then every information you need to know about the workshop, which is holding on the 15th of March. Okay, so every other information you need is on this page, and registration information, you can find that in the comment section of this video. I'm going to be putting the link there for you to register. You can also learn about registering for the conference with all the details showing here on the screen.
So what are you waiting for? Now share this video, this moment, with your friends, your colleagues. Tell everyone about this conference and this free workshop, and visit the website to make sure that you secure your spot. See ya!